are you?
Morning, Moomin. Berry picking?
Yes, lots of them. Anything the matter, Snufkin?
Moomin, I think you should know something about these baby birds you and your friends have adopted. They'll be leaving soon.
What?
Well, the mother bird will be flying again, and her young will be ready to leave the nest. And also, they only come here to Moomin Valley once a year for the nesting season. Then they fly further south.
Well, I did know about that. I knew that all along, of course, Snufkin. But for some reason, I just didn't let myself think about it. We've only just rescued them from the kite. They couldn't possibly be ready to leave their nest that quickly, Snufkin. How can they fly? They can't even flutter their wings yet.
Moomin, would you like to know why I travel around so much on my own? I've been doing it for as long as I can remember, indeed, since I was a very small boy. And of course, I will go on doing it. 'Cause that's my nature, and it's the only life I know.
It is?
It is. And I know from bitter experience how bad it is for you to go against your nature. And their nature is to fly south when they leave their nests. You see, Moomin, these rare migrating birds are just following their natural instincts, that's all. It's just something they have to do. So when they go, don't feel sad.
Yes, I understand. But I'll feel sad anyway, I'm afraid, when they finally fly away.